In this lecture, I would like to create a single file project in a nutshell. So very quickly, I will start from the beginning, go through the end without stopping in more details, just to show you smoothly the procedure for the creation of the single file project. So I have saved in this folder, single file project, a document called sample test. So this is the starting point. I'm going to my Trados. If I want to create a single file project, I need to go to Welcome, click on Browse, move around, looking for the document that I would like to translate. So it is in single file project folder. This is the one. I select it, click on Open. I will get this window. Translate a single document, click here. Now I will get this wizard, this little window, where I'm supposed to select the language combination, English United Kingdom as the source language, Italian Italy as the target language. Here I'm supposed to set the translation memories. If I'm happy with the translation memories that I am provided here, because I have used them recently, I can go on this way. Otherwise, I can click on Use, search for other translation memories around my folders, or I can also create a brand new one. Okay, let's say that I like this one, so I want to use this translation memory. Then I click OK, and my single file project will be generated, and immediately the SDL-XLIF will open up in the editor view. Click OK. Here we are in the editor view, and this is my project. This is the SDL-XLIF. If I move to project view, I can see my sample test doc ENGBITIT, which is the single file project that I have just created. I select it and I open the project folder. Still, I only have the source document. If I want to have the SDL-XLIF and the SDL-proj file, I need to save it. So when I'm here in the editor, I click on the button up here, the Save button. I click, and then I want to save my SDL-XLIF. It doesn't save automatically in the folder where my source document has been saved. So I need to do it manually, because he would be saving this in a folder called Nuevo, belonging to other folders. So I need to do it manually, go back to single file project. So this is the folder where I want to save my SDL-XLIF. Click Save. And now, if I go back to project again, I click Open Project Folder. And now, as you can see, I have the source original document, but I also have the SDL-proj and the SDL-XLIF. Now, if I go back to the editor, I translate the full document. Let's say that it's been all translated. Now, if I want to export it in the final format, I click on the little blue label on top here, File, and here I click on Save Target As. It will be saved in the same folder, but because it is bearing the same name, I need to modify the name, otherwise it will not be possible to save two different documents bearing the same name. So I just add _IT, telling that this is the Italian version. I click on Save, and that's it. So now if I go back to project and I open project folder, I will have the 4 files all together, saved and well organized in my original folder, which was named single file project. So this is the source document, the SDL-proj SDL-XLIF, and the final document that is supposed to be in the Italian language. Okay, so this is the full procedure. very clear and very smooth for the creation of the single file project. Thank you.